How to fix you need the official WhatsApp app to use this account problem. Hey everybody, welcome to this video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can fix this issue of WhatsApp not working and saying that you need the official WhatsApp for it. So first of all, make sure that you have downloaded the WhatsApp from Play Store or App Store and not from any third-party websites, because the official WhatsApp app is available on Play Store and App Store, so you can directly download it from there. And you don't need to go to any third-party websites for that. So even after downloading it from Google Play Store and it is not working, what you can do is just long press on and go to the settings of the app, and here go to storage. You may just go to your settings and search for WhatsApp. Go to apps and scroll down to WhatsApp for that. And here, after tapping on it, you see this option called Clear Cache. Just tap on it. That will most likely fix your issue that is happening on your device right now. So just follow the steps that I told you, and you will be able to fix you need the official WhatsApp to use this account problem on your phone. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.